So when it comes to terms with a space in between the things in between, so when we realize the things in between, and then we could find out more about in detail. So this kind of activity in my town is crucially important, I think, in this summer with restrictions of moving. So when the time we can't really move to the other places, and when we must stay at home, and when we must stay in the area that we are living in, which means obviously that we have to be familiar with your surroundings, and with this familiarity you can enjoy your summer safely. But when in terms of familiarity is also, I suggest that we could find out some kind of unfamiliar in familiarity. So like this activity as an excursion, I came to outside and I came to the spring gardens, and with walking I'm looking at things which I don't recognize before. For example, I didn't know this space, which is a public space, and with books you can stay here, and over there is a cafe in the garden. I didn't know before. So even though this is my neighborhood in Tachikawa City, as I walk around in a way of brand new, and then even in the close areas that I could find some other stuff and some other people and some other sceneries, anything like that. So with this kind of after work activity, then for example, if you realize the trees over here, like this, so it's a kind of activity to find out unfamiliarity within familiar, if you like. I mean, the unfamiliarity is something that easily you can get when you are actually on the travel. When you go to holiday, you visit some other countries and the city. At that time, you may experience a lot of unfamiliarity, the things happening anytime when you are abroad, for example, in the language, in the culture. But this time in this summer, if you think and rethink more about your locality, the locality is with that, of course, we share the cultures, and we share languages, and it's your town and your home. You know very much about it. You know where is the good restaurant, where is the shop that you can go to shop. So a lot of things you are familiar with, and you know very much about your locality. But it's a time to think about locality in a way of to the approach more carefully, and to realize the things is always there in between. When you look at the things in a manner of more carefully, and then you may find out something probably excited and probably